Good morning everyone. Alright, we've got a bit of a funny one today. This is a Ford Focus 05 South African import. Now, what we've found, this has been bodged right up. We'll go over and we'll show you what we found. Alright, so what we've found here, we'll start from scratch. This had an ignition switch issue where it wasn't grounding the start relay. Someone has, in turn, instead of fixing the ignition switch, which cost bugger all from Ford, they ran a hot wire and silicon, like absolute atrocity, straight through the firewall there. They ran a hot wire, pushed it into a fuse here to a start button on the switch, all for the sake of a bloody $70–80 ignition switch. Now we've pulled that out. What they've also done is they also cut this start wire here right down in probably the worst spot in this harness. I don't know how they did it without the fans out, but anyway, that's been cut and bypassed. So what we've had to do here, we fix the ignition switch. This car needs to go for roadworthy, so this needs to get sorted. Fix the ignition switch, fix the wiring here. We've just jumped a red wire here from here down to here to confirm our wiring integrity. And our car is all sorted. So as you can see, ignition lights up, crank the car, dash comes on, happy days. So that is all good. This is now nothing, and that is, yeah, terrible workmanship, all for the sake of it. Would have been so much quicker just to replace the switch, but anyway, that's job done. So I just wanted to show that butchery, and this is amazing. Look at this silicon. Anyway, hope everyone has a good day.